Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can correctly use the MACD. Instead of using it as a buy or sell signal, you use it with the price action. I know you guys have experienced when the MACD is oversold, it starts curling back up to the upside, and it even crosses over and gives you this bullish buy signal. And then price continues to make a lower low. It is one of the most common and very frustrating things about trading with the MACD. And that is because people are trading the MACD because of its pointed direction. Like it's a needle telling you where it's going to go, instead of actually trading it with price action. The solution to this? Price action should be telling you exactly where you should be buying. The MACD is just telling you when the bullish momentum is actually validating and coming in at the support level you identified, or your key level. You are trying to navigate a forest by looking at your footprints instead of looking at the trees. Your MACD gives you a buy signal right as the price arrives at a graveyard of buyers. The indicator follows the price. It doesn't lead to the price. So you are buying into a ceiling. Think of price action as a map and the MACD as your compass. The map tells you where you are and where the obstacles are, while the compass only tells you which way the wind is blowing. You would never follow the compass if the map told you there was a cliff right in front of you. So here's what you do. The first key is to actually ignore the MACD entirely at first. You map out your major levels, your support, your resistance on your larger timeframes, and you find your floor, where the buyers lived. The ceiling is where the sellers wait. That way, just as price bounces off of the support level, forming a strong bullish engulfing candle, the MACD lines perform a crisp crossover. This is actually waiting for the confirmation of a reality that was already happening. Then you can enter your trade with a calculated stop loss. As the price moves steadily in your favor, you'll get a sense of clarity that you have never known. That way you're not chasing a ghost, but instead you're following the flow of the market. The secret to the market is not a magical formula. It is the marriage of context and momentum. The MACD became a trusted advisor rather than a deceptive master. This will make you realize that in trading, as in life, the data is only useful if you understand the environment in which it lives. I try to teach my Discord community this quite a bit, where I try to emphasize we shouldn't be looking for bullish patterns when we're in a bearish market. You don't go fishing for a shark over in the Tennessee River, do you? It doesn't fit the right environment. If I provided you guys some value in this video, please hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. If you guys would like, I have a premium Discord. It'll be the first link in the description. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can see my live trades, my watch list, and ask me one-on-one questions that you have. I appreciate you guys, and I really hope all of you have a blessed day.